Hello, welcome back to Olney in Clifton with me, Nathan Flynn, Club Secretary. Today we're down at our Olney Mill section. This section is quite infamous with matchmen and the pleasure angler alike. Down this stretch, different types of waters. We've got some wider parts like you'll see behind me, down to some faster flowing channels further down. Range different species come out of here. We've had the other carp come out from here, but this is mainly a chub in paradise. We've seen quite a few chub come out of here in recent years. Carry on down, infamous for barbel years ago, hopefully there's still a few of them around, and then further down as we go into the bigger perch and into the bream which have been seen in the last few weeks. Olney Mill section, check it out.